SBA Publications.
Hello, dear students. How are you all? I hope that you're doing very nice and you are enjoying your English literature studies. Today, we are going to start our chapter number 15 of English literature, and the name of it is Leaves in Autumn. So, this is basically a poem about autumn season. So, let's start reading. Up in the trees, there's gentle sigh, for the leaves are whispering goodbye, goodbye. So whispering is written like whispering here. E is missing. That's why we have used this sign here. Okay. Leaves of yellow, of crimson, of brown, saying goodbye as they flutter down. So this is about autumn season. So there is a sigh means a gentle wind above the trees and leaves are falling downwards and they're saying goodbye because new leaves will come soon. So it is the time of their departure. Up in the trees, there's a golden rain of the leaves that never will be green again. Leaves of chestnut, of hawthorn and lime, falling from branches of summer time. So up in the trees, there is golden rain. That means there is sunlight. Okay, the sunlight is showering upon the trees, so it is being compared to golden rain of the leaves that never will be green again. A golden light of the leaves that will never be green again. That means the leaves have turned yellow, so it is like golden light, and they're falling down now. Okay. Under the boughs, under the boughs is a carpet bright, which the leaves have made in a single night. Brown of oak leaves and yellow ash, crimson of maple, ruddy splash. So what happened? The leaves are falling down, so there is a carpet because leaves have covered the ground, so it has become like a carpet on the ground. Okay, of brown of oak leaves and yellow ash, crimson of maple, ready because these leaves turn into different colors when it's time of autumn. Some turn into yellow, some into red, some into brown. Okay. Although the woods goes the cruel wind, as he drives the leaves with his breath unkind. Leaves the cover and shelter and cling, trembling and frightening of everything. So, the wind is going everywhere and making the leaves fall down on the ground. So, this is the description of that wind. All down the stream on its swollen tide float the leaves like ships in which fairies ride. Ships that hasten to harbor and sigh, winter is coming, goodbye, goodbye. So, what's happening here? The leaves are floating on the water like ships, and they're saying goodbye to the nature as the winter is arriving and it's time for the leaves to say goodbye. So, this is the poem about. So, this poem is basically the description of arrival of winter and it is showing through the description of autumn. Okay. Now, let's see the vocabulary. Boughs. Boughs means branches of a tree. Chestnut is a large tree that produces glossy, hard brown nuts. Okay. Cover is bend low or move backward because of fear. Crimson is dark red in color. Flutter is flap quickly. Hawthorn is a thorny shrub or small tree with white or red or pink flowers. Lime is a tree that bears small juicy fruits. Maple is a tall tree with leaves that turn bright red or yellow in the autumn. Okay. Ruddy means red colored and swollen is larger than normal. So that was your poem. I hope you loved it as it has a beautiful description of nature and autumn. So that's it for today. Now you have to do this exercise and I will see you soon with another interesting chapter of your literature. Till then, keep on learning. Bye bye.